So the country which is democratic, everyone will have a constitution, and for each constitution there is a preamble. Australia has different preamble, Germany has different preamble, France has different preamble, other country has different preamble. Like India, we also have a different preamble. I would like to bring 4 words which I like best from the preamble of Indian Constitution. First one is justice. Justice in political life, justice in social life, justice in economical life. Justice should be there in each one of our life. Justice is very important. Second one what? Equality. Equality of opportunity, equality of status. Everyone should have equality, everyone should have opportunity. Either boys or girls, male or female, different gender, all should have equal opportunity, equal status. Third one, fraternity. Fraternity, what do you understand? Fraternity is all about assuring all the citizens of India to have equal respect. Boys should have equal respect, girls should have equal respect. In the old days, many of the countries, girls, females, they were not having that much respect than the men or boys. Girls were not allowed to go to the schools. Women were not allowed to vote, give vote, participate in election. But now, as constitutions are adopted, came into force, all they have equal respect. Everyone should be given equal respect. Last one. First one, justice. Second one, equality. Fourth one, liberty. Liberty of thought, liberty of expressions. As Indian citizens, boys or girls, male or female, we have an equal and liberty of thought. Whatever we want, we can speak. Whatever we want, we can express. We are not blocked. Everybody has freedom. Everybody has liberty to do anything. That's what liberty of thought, liberty of expression. You can express, you can smile, you can laugh, you can cry, you can dance, you can do everything. But it depends upon the rules and regulation. You should not go behind the rules and regulations. But you have liberty of thought, liberty of expressions. Always, being a student of Carmel English School, I encourage each one of you to remember these 4 words, which is very much important, and we need to practice in our life. First one, what? Justice, equality, fraternity and liberty. These 4 are very much important. You can find these on social subjects, not only social